What's up everybody, you know it's your boy Audio, back with another video guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video guys. I hope you like, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright guys, today I get a message from a viewer and a subscriber at that, asking me how to use, if she can use her tablet as a remote, and I jump to the opportunity to do this video because she asked me to do this video also. I'm gonna put a message on the screen, and yeah. So guys, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And guys, remember, do not skip the video, watch the entire video, and because I want this thing to work for you guys. And I want to thank you guys for the last video, for your support. I want to thank you guys for your support. And so let's get into this. So now guys, we're gonna, alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the Android remote. And here we got the Android remote on our TV. Now guys, if you want to know how to install this on your TV guys, I will leave a link at the top of the video showing you how to install it. Okay guys, alright, so alright guys, to do this guys, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna click on Play Store. Okay, we're gonna click on Play Store, and we're gonna search guys, and we're gonna search for, okay, I want this to see good. We're gonna search, okay, we're gonna search for ZANK on Google Play, and this will be the one right here. Okay guys, and there's a step guide on showing you how to install it. So if you want to install it guys, all you got to do is watch the video that I put up top of the screen. Alright guys, so we're gonna come off. Okay, so now we're gonna get that on the tablet. So we're gonna pull up the tablet now, and here is it. This is the tablet guys. So okay, we're gonna click on, okay, yeah man, it's okay. We're gonna click on Play Store. We're gonna click on Play Store, and we're gonna type in the name ZANK. We're gonna type it in, and we're gonna click search. So when we click search guys, this is it. You're gonna click install, and we're gonna wait for that to install. So guys, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, I want this thing to work for you guys, so I want you guys to do not skip the video, please. If you skip the video and you miss an important message, you will do something wrong, and then you will come back to me saying it doesn't work, or it don't install properly. I want you guys to just watch the entire video and allow this thing to download. So it's installing. So now we have finished install it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come off, and you will see it right there pop up on the screen. So we're gonna click on it, So when we click on it, guys, we will get this right here. This, when you click this, you can follow the step, you can read, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna click next step, and then you will get this, allow permission. Okay, remember guys, do not skip the video. We're gonna click next step again, and it will give us the page right here. It will, oh my, okay. Alright guys, so when you get to this page right here, okay, we're gonna click allow display over the other app. So we're gonna click that button right there, and when we click that button right there, guys, we're gonna come off, and then we will click back on it again. Okay, and we will get this message right here. We're gonna allow, and we're gonna click next step, and we're gonna turn on, you look over on this side right here, you will see Android remote. You're gonna turn, it's off right now by default, you're gonna click it on, and you will get this message right here, use service. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the button right here to activate it. So we will get this message. We're gonna click allow, okay, and then it's on right now. Okay, so we're gonna go back, we're gonna go back, guys. So when you come off, we're gonna click it back again, and it will give us this message right here. We're gonna click OK, and there it is. We have successfully installed it properly on our tablet. So now we're gonna go to the TV. We're gonna go to the TV. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on Android app, and we're gonna click next step again, and we're gonna come up here where it says Android remote. We're gonna click it, then we're gonna enable it, then we're gonna click OK, and it's running. So now we're gonna come right back off that. When we click off, we will get back this message right here. We're gonna click OK. Alright, so now we're gonna go back on the tablet. Alright guys, so when we are on the tablet now, we're gonna click on search. We're gonna click the search button, and it will bring up a couple of stuff right here. Now you want to find the name of your TV. As you guys can see, it says unknown smart TV. We're gonna click on that one right there. Now when we click on that, it's gonna say, I missed out on that. I will get back to you guys on that and show you what is happening right there. So now, alright, so we're gonna show you on the TV right here. We're gonna do it like this, and you will see it's working. We also we're gonna press play, and you can see it's moving It's moving, guys. So we're gonna bring up the TV screen on the tablet. We're gonna click that button right there and look at the tablet and look at the screen. Look at the tablet and look at the screen, guys. So this is how you connect your tablet to your TV. Okay, and if we touch anything on the tablet, you will see it's moving. You see that it's moving. Okay, and I want you guys to do some experiment on it. I want you guys to get a feel of it. I want you guys to get acquainted with it. There's some settings inside. If you want to know the settings inside, the video that I'll leave in the link will show you all of that also. And I will leave the link again at the top up here. Okay, so this is it, guys. So we're gonna click on something just to show you that it worked. We're gonna click on YouTube. We're gonna tap on YouTube and it will show us the same stuff that is right there. There it is. There it is. And you can turn it up with the volume on the alright, guys, so there it is. This is how you use Android remote on your tablet. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please hit that thumbs up, that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.